I, with my team, here are ready to work closely with you all on the theme of multi-dimensional development of the people and the state together. In this regard, we should share best practices and policies together. Excellencies, every single day, Haryana is growing, flourishing, and achieving new milestones. Our clear vision to serve the society, our political will, our good governance, empathy for last person of the line, empowerment and partnerships with stakeholders of the socio-economic development will be the key words to drive future success. Today, we all together are adding a new idea of fast growing by the Haryana Africa Conclave Series 1. Africa will be at the top of our priorities. We will continue to intensify and deepen our engagement with Africa. As I have shown, it will be sustained and regular. Our development partnership will be guided by your priorities. We will build as much local capacity and create as much local opportunities as possible. It will be on terms that will be comfortable for you, that will liberate your potential and not constrain your future. We'll keep our markets open and make it easier and more attractive to trade with Haryana. We already have a significant trade and businesses with Africa and will support our industry to work in Africa. We will harness Haryana's experience with the digital revolution to support Africa's development, improve delivery of public services, extend education and health, spread digital literacy, expand financial inclusion and mainstreaming of the marginalized. Africa has approx 60% of the world's arable land, but produces just around 10% of global output. Similarly, we at Haryana constitutes 1.5% of India's area, yet contributes 15% of its agricultural produce. We'll work with you to improve Africa's agriculture by long-term engagements in sharing and implementing the best practices in the sector. Our continued and unconditional partnership will address the challenges of climate change. We all must work together to ensure that Africa is becoming a nursery for the aspirations of Africa's youth and our Haryana diaspora there. Excellencies, in this economic world, the people intends for the currency only. Haryana is the land of Gita, the land of karma. My idea is to consider the human element along with business or economic aspects. And hence, out of various models of business, like B2B, G2B, G2G, we believe in H2H model of working. H2H, that is heart-to-heart approach. I welcome you all to utilize this opportunity. I strongly believe that the Haryana Africa Conclave Series 1 may turn to strong Haryana Africa ties which will set new definition of collaborations and mutual growth. I'd like to suggest that our team, Africa Haryana team, should consider this subject in comprehensive manner. Let's join hands and change the global perception, go together and progress together, work together. Thank you very much.